In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dual monitors in Zoom. If you want a more flexible setup during meetings or webinars, turning on Zoom's dual monitor option can really help. This feature is useful if you're working with two screens and want to separate your meeting controls or participant views from shared content or other windows. It can make everything feel much more organized, especially when you're multitasking or presenting. To begin, open Zoom and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Zoom screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find access to your personal app settings and account-related options. After clicking your profile icon, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel for Zoom where you can customize different parts of the app. If you don't see the option right away, just give it a moment for the settings window to fully load. Inside the settings area, click on Meetings and Webinars. This section includes a variety of meeting-related preferences, including display and interface options that affect how Zoom behaves when you're in a live session. Depending on your app version, the layout may look slightly different, but the section name should be similar. Once you're in Meetings and Webinars, scroll down through the available options. Take your time here because there are quite a few settings in this area. You're looking for the option related to dual monitors or dual windows. This setting allows Zoom to display different meeting elements across two screens, which can be especially useful if you want one monitor dedicated to a gallery view and the other for screen sharing or speaker view. When you find the dual window option, click the circle to enable it. Once selected, the settings should become active right away. In some cases, you may need to close the settings window and restart or rejoin a meeting before you fully notice the change. So keep that in mind if it doesn't appear immediately. After enabling this, the next time you're in a Zoom meeting with two monitors connected, Zoom should make better use of both displays. And as a quick tip, make sure your computer is already detecting both monitors properly before launching your meeting, since Zoom relies on your system's display setup. And that's it. That's how to enable dual monitors in Zoom. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.